Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'll be unboxing Ambrane's vacuum cleaner which comes with a blower. Let me remove the stickers and show you what's inside. So this is what we get inside the box. We get a charging cable, the vacuum cleaner itself, a feedback card, some equipments which help in the blowing, some brushes which can be joined to the connecting rod arm I mean. It comes in foam packaging. So this is how the vacuum cleaner looks like. I join other equipments and connect it to the vacuum cleaner. For turning on the vacuum cleaner, long press it for 3 seconds. The first mode will be the low power mode, and the second mode will be the high power mode. Here is the vacuum mode. Let's see how it sucking the molecule. Now let me try out the blowing mode. Again, just long press it for 3 seconds and wait. See how it goes off and returns.